Getting ready for the gig tonight, the Manchester 6 Music Festival, so looking forward to it. We're going to load up the van and get on the road. Woo! So we got all our stuff, we loaded it all up like Tetris. We wanted it to be perfect, so everything was not going to be bashed around. But we did it perfectly and we're on the road. Here we go. Having a break. We welcome the break.
Babylon Grid.
Babylon Grid. So after our stop off, we carried on. Where we at, Az? Where we at?
On the wrong side of town, that's where we are.
You last time I went to the wrong venue, didn't ya?
Yeah.
We're delivering vibes, man.
So we got let in finally.
Remember this geezer? Is that the legend guy? Hello again. Oh, is that silly bollocks, is it? Yes, man.
The hack's not here yet.
You know, silly bollocks.
So we finally got through and we started heading up to our green room.
Keeping well?
We love this venue. Felt like celebrities. What you doing there, Dave? Some serious business. So we realised it wasn't working.
No battery in it to take it.
That's a good start. But we just needed a battery. Loaded all our stuff in. Ourselves ready on stage, getting ready for the sound check. So when I get ready for a gig, I just do a very simple exercise, which is just called the spider. Obviously rehearse the parts that I need to play, but just do the spider. So just pushing your finger on the first fret, then playing that, second finger on the second fret, third on the third, fourth on the fourth, and then do it on the next string. First, second, third, fourth, first, second, third, go all the way up to the first string, and then when I go across one, I go back. So now I'm on the fifth fret, fourth, third, second, fifth, fourth, third, second, and go all the way down to the second fret, and then go up one, and I go do it all the way until I hit the 12th fret, or sometimes a bit higher, and then I come all the way back down. I just do that probably, 10 times or something, but it just makes a huge difference when you warming up your fingers. That you'll be warmed up. And we got on with sound check, and Az went through the kick drum. Sam got us the set list, legends, which was super helpful when you're playing. And we went on to the snare, getting that tuned perfectly. The cameras were getting themselves ready, the BBC. We were excited. We're doing in-ears now, so got myself all plugged in and ready, make sure I could hear everything. And we carried on with getting the drums ready. And we moved on to the bass, got that all tuned and sorted. Then I tuned my guitar up. It never quite lands on the green for ages. It kind of jumps around, then it finally, so close. And then we were fully in tune, waiting for the green lights to pop. Here we go. Then Sam got his piano ready. He's practicing one of our reggae songs, and then he's working on his trumpet now, getting all the synths sorted. Then Hack got ready with his acoustic guitar.
Hack, let's have your guitar again. Last time.
I went ahead and practiced some scales, getting ready for the show. Thank you for Jack for filming that for me. Then Hack tested out his vocals, getting that right for the room. The cameras were getting their angles ready. Then we were ready for the show. Had a couple of drinks, and we've got about 3,500 people here, which was super awesome. Nice crowds. This is one of Hack's solo songs called Conundrums, check it out. Got a good reception. got some highlights from some of the parts of the sets. This is called Run by Hack Baker.
Hug my brother this morning, didn't even bother packing his stuff. When I woke up this morning, I realized that freedom was a must. So feeling spiritualized by my feeling, I hit the door and I called on all my bluff. On my way out of this town, no longer any smile found under this frown.
So I was playing in A minor.
But I misplaced always off my crown. Don't feel like royalty marching outside of this town. Drowned in alcoholism, my sound in my voice indecisions is now minimal, no longer individual. Now do I run, keep running, and I don't look back? Do I run, keep running, and ignore the facts, yo? Now do I run, keep running, and I don't look back? We oh no.
So we had to finish the set there, but they wanted one more song. We're very happy the crowd enjoyed it. And then after, we just chilled out, ready for the party. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.